The narrative, the Western narrative, is that we're not supposed to be here today. And so when you ask the question, how does it make me feel? I feel humbled that I was able to provide an infrastructure and a tool that will empower future generations. I feel happy about it. It's great to know that we've built something collectively. But the greatest feeling has been able to give voice to my ancestors just behind us. That's the greatest feeling. And to know that when I'm gone, this infrastructure here will be here for another 150 years.